To connect MetaTrader 5 with XM, you will need to follow these steps. First, ensure you have a trading account with XM, as this is necessary to access the platform. If you do not have an account, you can sign up on the XM website. Next, download and install the MetaTrader 5 platform from the XM website or the MetaTrader 5 website. Once installed, open the platform and click on File. Then select Login to Trade Account. In the login window, select XM as the broker. Then enter your account number and password. If you have a demo account, select the demo server. Otherwise, select the real server. After logging in, you will see your account information and balances in the terminal window. You can now access the Market Watch window to view available trading instruments, and the Navigator window to manage your accounts and expert advisors. To open a trade, click on the New Order button. Select the symbol you want to trade, and choose your order type. You can then set your volume, stop loss, and take profit, and click on Buy or Sell to execute the trade. It is essential to familiarize yourself with the MetaTrader 5 interface and practice trading with a demo account before trading with real funds. Additionally, ensure you understand the risks associated with trading and only trade with money you can afford to lose. By following these steps, you can successfully connect MetaTrader 5 with XM and start trading. Remember to always monitor your trades and adjust your strategy as needed to achieve your trading goals.